You're
entry.
serious.
Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook,
How is-
Orland Park, Tinley Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer
New
Glen,
Lenox?
Lisle, Mokina,
What?
Frankfort, and Lemont.
It's heading towards
Including
AMC.
the following interstates.
New Lenox.
55 between mile markers 252 and 273.
Severe. Thunderstorm.
Interstate 57 near mile marker 346. Interstate 80 between mile markers 149.
Severe.
Mile markers 117
Thunderstorm.
and Interstate
Warning.
300.
This is stupid.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Why? It said get to the lowest floor of the building. Why? Oh, flip. This guy's gonna. Why? Is the thunderstorm gonna be bad?